Yes, is the screen is visible? Yes. Okay. Mm. Okay. Now I will start the session. So this is the table I have select star from students. This is the table that is already existed. Now, if you want, you can apply multiple things. Suppose continuation to the previous session. So somebody asked to truncate. The last I explained the concept. Truncate means the table is removed, but the structure is available. Drop means the entire table is removed. Truncate. Table. Table name. Truncate. Table. Table name. It will be loaded. So, sorry, query aborted. 1 second, I will open one time, one more time. MySQL. Wait for 1 minute. MySQL is open. Now, anyway, again I said drop means along with the structure, it delete the entire table. Truncate means only the contents in the table are removed. Okay, that's once it is opened, I will execute. Now, sorry, if I execute truncate at the starting, it is not possible to do multiple operations. It is not possible to use multiple operations. Now, root. Okay, use college, select star from students. Okay, empty set. Okay, already deleted. Truncate is applied. Truncate is applied. See, select star from students, empty set, that is without any value. DESC students. Now understand the structure is available. The structure is available. Clear? Suppose if you are using drop table, table name, drop table name, the entire table is deleted without any thing. See this one, error. Table students does not exist. I think you got the difference between truncate and drop. Anyway, again we have a task of creating the table and doing operations. Anyway, we will do create table. This time we are doing employee table. Every time we are using student, suppose create an employee table, the same fields. Create table name. Suppose employee ID integer. What you want? Employee name. Same like student only. Where care of 20. Now I want suppose salary. Salary is float. Assume float value. Any other fields? For example, city. Where care to of some 20 like this. Okay, these fields I need. Error where care 2 of 20, so 20 is available outside. So query is okay. DESC EMP. Just one employee skeleton is created. Just employee skeleton is created. Anyway, you need to insert the values. Insert into emp values of. So first my employee ID is one. Employee name. Suppose anyway, give me 2 minutes. I will create the table. Anything. Razu employee salary is some 20,000.5, whatever it is, comma, employee city Hyderabad. Okay, call row 1. Now create row 2. Suppose employee ID, employee name. My name is Nagaraju. That is the reason only I am using this one, Nagaraju. For example, 30,000.6. Even though you are not given floating, not a problem. So employee city, for example, BNG, Bangalore. What is that is not a problem. Now next one, employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee city, employee city, suppose Delhi. So query is created. Now select star from employee. Sorry, select star from employee. Only three rows are created. Only three rows are created. Okay. Suppose if you want to insert multiple, insert some more. For example, employee ID 4. Suppose Ravi, give the salary, city name is same. That is not a problem. That is not a problem. Employee ID given as 5. Hyderabad. I given any random names only. Employee 6. So again, even though duplicates, select star from employee. Finally, how many records I have? 6 records are inserted. Now on this table, we are performing the operation. One basic step. Select star from EMP order by salary. I explained in the last session. So just to revision in 2 minutes. Select star from employee order by salary. So according to the salary, the employee records are retrieved. We are discussing at this point the power of. So internet break. Okay. Now coming to this one, salary. Okay. Now sir, spelling mistake. You need to do spelling mistake, update. I think you know that one. Update and alter. Sorry, alter table name. What is the syntax? Alter table name. Now I think anyone remember? Please give the comment. Anyone remember? Alter table name. How do I change the name of the column? How do I change the name of the column? I already explained in the last session for branch. Last session, the branch. Yes. Modify, rename, rename or modify, alter table name. I given some student table name, rename salary to salary. Right or wrong? No. I think you are wrong. Anyone? If you give the answer, I am happy. Otherwise, anyway, I will do. That is not a problem. Alter is already completed. If you want to change the name, I think you remember alter, almost right. Table, table name. Alter, think anyone? Alter, table, student, rename, branch to name. No, sorry. Everyone, I already said, must and should practice. If you practice, then only you will remember. Okay, alter, table, table name, rename, column. I think you now you get salary to salary. Updated or not? Check. Updated. Now DESCEMP. Salary field changed. Remember, everyone given rename, that is fine, but before that you need to write column. That is the mistake. Okay, now coming to this one, order by salary. Now the values are displayed according to the salary. Immediately the question is, sir, if two persons have same salary, then what you need to do? Okay, so first to Raju or Praveen, like the same example, select star from EMP, order by salary, comma, salary, comma, for example, employee name. Now observe the output. The names are changed. By default, they are displaying in ascending order. Remember, by default, the values are displayed in ascending order. What is the meaning? Most of the members asked this doubt. What is the meaning? First, to all the records are ordered in ascending order according to the salary. Suppose if any two records, the salary is same. For the two records, only employee name is applied. You got point? For any two records, the salary is same. For that only employee name is applied. Remaining case, overall according to salary only. According to salary only. Now I think everyone is clear with order by. Everyone is clear with order by. Okay. Yes, default is ascending. If you write DESC, for example, salary DESC arranged in descending order. According to salary, they are arranged in descending order. Okay. Now I will write one more query. Select star from some employee where understand my query how I written. What is the meaning? Salary. Salary is numeric. Okay, I am considered salary greater than, all. One more operator, all is there. What is the meaning of this one? Now select which one? Salary. Salary from employee where you want e name, city, delete two deletes to, okay, city is equal to anything. Anyway, I will explain. City is equal to HYD. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Here, greater than is some comparison operator. Greater than is some comparison operator. We are retrieving the records. What is the condition? In the previous example, in the last session, one example I given. Select star from employee where salary greater than 20,000. That is, we are retrieving only the records whose salary is greater than 20,000, whose employee ID is greater than 3. I explained in the last session. But here, instead of giving the numbers, I written like this. First, the inner is executed. Select salary from employee where city is equal to Hyderabad. What is the output? where city is equal to Hyderabad. We are selecting the salary. What is the salary? Maybe in this example, two values are same. For example, this is 20,000, this is 21,000. So we are retrieving two columns. We are retrieving anyway instead of Hyderabad, I will write Delhi. Now Delhi, oh, okay. In this example, Delhi also same value. Anyway, so we are getting the salary column, two rows. One is 40,000.4, maybe another one is 40,000.4. We are retrieving the record whose salary is greater than this one. Whose salary is greater than this one. Now only this one. I think you understand all greater than all the records. Greater than all the records. Update employee set salary is equal to some 41,000.5 where employee ID is equal to 3. Select star from employee. Now understand? So Delhi's two Delhi's are there. One salary is 40,000 and one salary is 40,000, 41,000. Now observe again. So here all specifies. First two again I will write one more query. Understand these queries are all important. Sir, simply update alter not at all important. All those are basic queries. You need to write a query by multiple filterings. Select salary. How do I understand? First to write the inner query from employee where city is equal to Delhi. Execute this one. What is the output? We are retrieving all the records whose city is Delhi. Two records. Now greater than these two salaries then only displayed. One more query. One more query. Any. So in this example, observe two values are displayed. Two values are displayed. I will execute this. Sorry, this is already executed. Sir, why previously one value, here two value? All in the sense, this retrieve all the employee details whose salary is greater than all these salaries. In this, I have two salaries, must and should be greater than two salaries. But any means, if it is greater than any one salary, that is displayed. 41 is greater than 40. That is the reason 41 is displayed. That is the reason 41 displayed. Clear? Clear? Any all. In this way, we are writing the conditions or where it is useful. Where it is useful. Very simple. Suppose one organization is there, you need to identify the number of employees. For example, different branches are there. Identify the number of employees whose salary is greater than a particular branch. Directly inner query, we are identify the branch salary and then identify the individual salaries like that. And I will add one more. So select star from employee. Suppose the condition where some salary is equal to some 41,000.5 and some city is equal to Delhi. I think end. You understand the meaning? That means we are retrieving the records that satisfies multiple conditions. Last session we discussed where with only one condition, where salary is equal to 20,000, where salary greater than 20,000, only one condition. We are retrieving all the records that satisfy that single condition. But in this case, what is the condition? Satisfies to not only to end, you can move to any level. See, Only one record is there whose salary 41,000 and the city is Delhi. Like this you can use or. Now observe the what happened. Anyone understand what is the result or? So logical operator, end operator means two conditions are. That means it retrieve the records whose salary is 41,000 records are retrieved. And R whose city is Delhi, that record. Any one condition is satisfied, we are retrieving the records. Now I think you understand. Suppose in your database I want to retrieve some records. Multiple conditions are there. If for the student satisfies any one condition, he is eligible. Then I am using R operator. Suppose if the students need to satisfy all the conditions, then you are using AND operator. I think you got it. Like this. In operator, I already explained. I given the list of values. If any student value is available in that particular list, I am using like in operator. I am using in operator. Now, till now, any doubt? So these plays very crucial role. And any and all, very simple. First I return some inner query. It gives some value. Yes or no? It gives some value. Okay. Left side one query is there. We are retrieving the values. We are retrieving the values such that the values must and should be greater than all the values. Greater than all the values. So in case of city is equal to Delhi, what is the salary I get? 41,000 and 40,000. Two salaries I got. So from the left to side, I am retrieving all the values that is greater than 40, greater than 41. Greater than 40, greater than 41. And next is same. Any in the sense, we are retrieving if it satisfies at least one. If it satisfies at least one. Suppose if greater than 40, I am retrieving, or greater than 41, I am retrieving. Any means anyone. All means all. Similarly, and R. Similarly, and R. Clear? Now, I will write one more query. Select star from select star from sorry, I changed the table. Employee where, sir, I have multiple number of employees. For example, I need employee details whose name starts with, in my example, RNVPRS. Two R's are there. So my question is select star from employee where employee name like operator. Like operator. Now see, or percentage. What is the meaning? Here I am retrieving the employee names. That is, I am retrieving the employee records whose name starts with the letter R, followed by percentage, in the sense followed by any letter, any number. That is not a problem. The name starts with R. Press enter. Press enter. R. Clear? Exactly. Reverse one. Suppose you are using percentage and suppose A only displays the employee details whose name ends with A. The name ends with A. Only one name is available. And the last one, I think, what is the last one? For example, this one. The names that starts with the letter N, ends with the letter A, in middle with any number, not a problem. In the middle, any number, not a problem. Clear? Okay, starts with a, starts with n, ends with a, ends with a. I think everyone is clear. Like this also plays very crucial role. Now addition, understand. Already addition is completed. Addition in the sense remaining all. If you are using minus, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything is there. Greater than symbol is there. If I explain greater than in the sense all the values greater than. If you explain less than or equal to, greater than, same concept. End or is completed, like is completed, and one more operator is there, union. But if you want to do union operator, you need two tables. Union means combining. Anyway, right now I am not creating another table just to understand. Assume I have two tables, employee 1 and employee 2. Employee 1 and employee 2. What is my aim? Union. So, sir, how do get union? Select star from employee 1, union, upper or lower, not a problem. Select star from employee 2. Simply union, combining employee 1 table and employee 2 table. Similarly, remember at the time of comparison, these two consist of same fields, that is same columns. Then only the two tables are combined. Similarly, intersect is there. Intersect means intersection. Common rows. From the two tables, we are getting the common rows. Minus is there. That is simply the records that are present in table 1, not present in table 2. Not present in table 2. Now, right now I am not explaining. Select mine salary from. Now observe what happened. In my example, salaries are positive, but that is converted into negative. That is unary operator. Before the column, if you use minus, remember A minus B means binary operator, subtraction. Suppose minus A means unary operator, simply negative is converted into positive or positive is converted into negative. If you use plus means unary plus converted into positive. If you use minus means converted into negative. You use minus in the sense converted into negative. So that is the reason all my salary is converted into negative. Anyway, my original is not updated. Don't worry. Here I am not updating the original, just a query is written. If you want to modify the original table, you have the option of update only. You have the option of update only. I think clear? Now, now, okay, anyone? 1 second. Anybody have doubts? Okay, fine. Now, move to next one. Move to next one. In this, what you are discussing, suppose select employee ID, comma, count of, select employee ID, count of star. Anyway, we'll explain, not problem. From EMP. Now observe here what happened. Actually, aggregated functions are there. The purpose of the function is, to count, that is how many number of records, sum of all the values, maximum and minimum, everything is there. But how do you perform count operation? According to groups, you need to use group by. That is our next one. What is group by? The name only the name only specifies. So my table consists of 100 records. So 100 records are grouped into some groups, that is some parts, such that each group have related activities. Just for your understanding, suppose consider a college. The college have some thousand number of students. The college have thousand number of students. Instead of all the thousand students, I grouped the students according to branch. I grouped the student according to branch. Now, C branch, 60 members are there. E branch, 60 members are there. Now, group by, you are doing according to group by. Suppose select employee ID, count of star from EMP, from employee. Now, group by. First, we are doing instead of that one. First, I will explain this one. Select. Anyway, we will get the final answer after covering group by city. Now, observe. Select list is not in group by class and contains non-agreeable with SQL. Again, you got it. If you are using this one, group by is required. If you are using group by, count this type of methods is required. Clear? Now, finally, I will combine. Select employee ID, count of star from employee group by, from employee group by city. Now, sir, finally, what is the mistake? Anyone observe? Sir, what is the mistake? Okay, I written employee ID, right? So, count of star from employee group by city, that is also right. Then, anyone please. Just to understand, you only get the answer there. Read the error. The most important thing is understanding the error, also very, very important. Understand the error. If you have any idea, give me 1 minute. Anyone? Simple. Okay, I will change this one. Just for your understanding, employee ID, employee name from EMP. Okay, group by city. Again error. Again error. What happened? Now I will change. Anyway, finally, by reading the examples, you only get the answer. Employee ID group by. Suppose I will change according to salary. Again error. The select list is not in group by class and contains no aggregate. Count of. No one. See, select list is not in group by class and contains non agreeable with SQL mode is equal to only full group only. Anyone got an idea? Count of EID, city, name assigned, aggregate function is missing. Count alias name. No, no, count alias name is not required. Okay. Count alias name is not required. Column is not required. How to update the original table column by using update command, that is not right. Count star, no, count within brackets. Suppose according to your queries I will change, not a problem. Select employee ID comma employee name, count of star. Okay, from employee group by. Suppose instead of that one, according to your query. Group by employee name. No, no, you are getting last time. Select. Anyway, we'll explain. Now it's completed, I will explain. Select count of first before that one. Don't worry. By errors only we are getting the idea. Select count of employee ID, comma, suppose city. Whatever it is, variable column names are not important. From table name is employee, from employee, group by city. Now I got the answer. Now anyone understand what is the difference between previous ones and this one? Now I will explain. See, here you are select employee ID count star. So anyway you understand aggregate functions are used with group by. So this is error. Remember, always aggregate functions are used with group by. That is the first. Second error. Select star from employee group by city. Aggregate function is not available. That is the second error. Third one. Here is third one. Select employee ID. Count of star from employee ID. Group by city. Here the column names are employee ID. We are grouping according to city, not allowed. We are grouping according to one column that must and should be available in the column list. That is the error. Now understand. Select list. I think you understand. Select list. What is the select list? Employee ID is not in group by class, is not in group by class. Here also employee ID, employee name, but group by according to the city. Here employee ID name, employee name is there, salary is also there, but group by salary. Then what is the problem? This error. Anyway, first one satisfied, non-aggregate function is available. The last one, employee ID, employee name, count of employee ID, but group by according to salary. So, whatever it is, I think you understand. Now, count of employee ID from comma city. From employee, you are grouping according to the city. That is, we are making the groups. Hyderabad city. Two employee IDs are available. BNG. Two IDs are available. Delhi. Two IDs are available. Now I think you understand. Everyone understand? Everyone understand? No, no, no. Remove space. That is not the error. That is the reason only I given the error. So understand the error. Understand the error by reading the statement. Selected list values are not in group by. That is the error. That is the error. You got it? Okay. Now where we are? MySQL. Last one, not the last one, extension. Okay. Now, where is available? Yes or no? Where is used? Apply a condition, retrieve the records that satisfies the condition. Okay. Similarly, along instead of where, one more is available. Having is different to where. Sir, what is the difference? Where is applied on each and every record on the table. Having is applied on group by. Having is applied on group by. Suppose, see, here I am making into different groups. Here I am making into different groups. See, group by city. Now I will write the condition. Think you got it? Having, anyway, I will write the syntax. Having is written after group by. So first I will give the syntax, then it is very easy for you. So select, I already said having is applied on group by. Select different number of columns, whatever the columns you want, the columns from table name. Okay, compulsory you need to use group by. Simple thing. Where is used for normal selection? Having is used for group by one column, or if you want to group by two columns, you can use group by column having. Here you are writing the condition. Having, you are writing the condition. Okay. Now select count of employee ID, city from employee, group by city, having, for example, count of employee ID is greater than 2. Now only retrieve the records whose count is greater than 2. Empty set. Why? So there is no record. For example, greater than 1. Yes or no? I think you understand the difference between grouping and having. Now order by city. See, check the manual. What is the syntax? What is the mistake here? Here I used order by. Sir, I want entire records in the given order. So it gives select count of employee ID, comma of city from employee, order by city, group by city. I think you understand. It leads to some confusion. Order by city, group by city. I think you understand. Now, sir, how to change? Suppose from employee, suppose where I will show errors only. Where city equal to Delhi. See, city is equal to Delhi. First, where condition is applied and grouping according to the cities whose count greater than 1. Now you understand. You can write multiple subqueries. We are retrieving all the queries that satisfies the information. That satisfies the information only. One doubt, please ask me, anyone. Commas, no. Comma is not at all required. No, anyone? Yes, somebody asked max zoom in. Okay, fine. Yes, that's good. Select employee ID, comma, max of salary from employee. Sorry, group by is not written. Select employee ID, max of salary from employee. Now what happened? Select employee ID, max of salary from employee. Mhm. Employee. Now remember the previous one? Exactly same logic. Here you are getting the answer. Count of employee ID from city not having. See this one. According to city. According to city. Here also employee. Now group by. Group by. What you want? For example, I want city. Again wrong. Now this is your turn. I already explained one example group by. Similarly, instead of count, you are using max. That is the only thing. That is not a problem. What is the mistake? If you anyone give the answer, then it's fine. You understand group by. If anyone, please. If anyone gives the correct answer, select employee ID city, maximum of salary. Similarly, min of salary is available. Max is available, min is available. Now, now, okay. Now, what is your aim is? So, group by, I will explain group by one more time. Then, based on that one, you understand. Group by, that means multiple records are available. We are instead of maintaining all single records, we are grouping the records according to some property. According to some property. Clear? For example, a college consists of some thousand students. Instead of maintaining all the thousands separately, what I am doing? So the students are grouped such that, so for example, 100 students belongs to CSE, 100 students belongs to ECE, 100 students belongs to Triple E. That means I grouped the students according to branch. I grouped the student according to branch. Clear? Now, so remove all this. Here, what is the meaning? In the employee, group by city. So, we are grouping according to the city. We are grouping according to the city. According to the city, that means in my example, 2 HYD there, that is one group. 2 BNG there, that is one group. 2 Delhi is there, that is one group. Like this, I am doing group operation. I am doing group operation. Now, see here. Here, group by city. I am doing the operation. Now, what is my output? Count of employee ID. How many number of employees are available in a particular city? So I have three groups. I have three groups. One group is Hyderabad. Another group is BNG. Another group is Delhi. Count off. So two employees from HD, two employees from BNG, two employees from Delhi. I think you got it. Similarly, now suppose max of salary, max of salary, comma city from EMP. That means here I am grouping according to the city, right? From that city, I am getting the maximum salary. I think you understand. See, Hyderabad group. Now, anyway, see HYD, HYD to HYDs. Anyway, this is the salary. To Delhi, what is the maximum salary? 41. To BNG, what is the maximum salary? 50. I think you got it. You think you got it? Maximum, sir. Previously also I written the same. Then why you are not getting? Remember, whatever you are using, that must and should be there. Anyway, right now understand basic. Once we are moving level by level, joins operation. Anyway, once we are moving on, you will get. Right now, you got an idea? According to city, I am grouping. On that particular group, I am getting the maximum. On that particular group, I am getting the minimum. Now, similarly, sir, I want minimum salaries. Sir, I want sum. Think you understand? Sum. Each group sum. See, Hyderabad sum, BNG sum, Delhi sum. I think you got it. This is aggregate functions. Sorry. These are aggregate functions. I think it clear. Anyone? Okay. Can I close? Any doubts? No problem. Practice yourself. If you get any doubts, you will get. Remember, only practice. Whatever I told, because of your practice only, you will get the output. Okay. Okay. That is the end. Thank you.